Okay, we are here today to show you how students have file storage on their Chromebooks. So if you need to download something from a teacher or save something, or you took a picture with your cell phone and it was sent to you and you put it somewhere, we wanted to show you where it probably went, the file storage system in a Chromebook. So the first thing to do is you hit that little launch pad or the launcher in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you hit this pop-up menu or caret right there. So you get all your pages of apps. Now the buttons you have might show up over on the right or down below at the bottom. And you might have 2 pages of apps or 3 pages of apps or just 1 page of apps. So really do look around to rotate through your different pages. You want to look for something called files. It's associated with your Google Drive, so it's associated with your EdTools account, your Google EdTools account, but it has actual storage on the Chromebook too. So you're going to click that once and open up your files, or I should say your My Files location. And if you hit download on something, 9 times out of 10, it's going to go in this downloads folder. So here was a recent JPEG that I probably took with my cell phone and I sent to my EdTools account, and here it is. Now you can also access your Google Drive over here, so you can see all of your storage in your Google Drive with your EdTools account. But again, you really have to make sure who's logged into the Chromebook, because what if your sibling accidentally logged in and didn't log out? So you can hover over this little, first of all, click the bottom right-hand control center area, and then you click the profile picture. If you hover over that, when the control center is maximized or when it's minimized, it'll show you what account you're logged in as. This is how you maximize that control center with that caret right there. But again, all you have to do is hover over it and it will tell you your name and your EdTools account. So double check that. But then once you've opened up your files location, you should be able to see your Google Drive, what was shared with you, your downloads, if you have anything in downloads, and you can even go recent to see what files or documents or JPEGs or slide decks or whatever you most recently accessed. And if you want to narrow it down, you can certainly look for just audio. You can certainly look for just images, and you can certainly look just for video, different kinds of video files. Now, if you want to do a search here, you could also do a search by hitting that magnifying glass. Let me click off of it and click back on again so you can see it. Now this view is called like list view or details. If you want to see things like in thumbnail or gallery view, you can hit that button and see what things look like in thumbnail view. I personally like a detailed list, so I leave it like that. You can also sort over here with this button. So there's a lot of different ways you can find your files and in your Chromebook. You don't have to go through the portal and hit that Google Drive. You can access them here too. And again, if you hit download to something, you probably put it in your downloads folder right in this app called My Files. And then you can exit out. Thanks. Let us know if you have any questions. You can email servicecentral@psd401.net. Thanks.